Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on AI voice changer, text to voice. I'm AI Tech, and I'm thrilled to guide you through the exciting world of transforming text into lifelike and customizable voices.
Ever wondered how you can change the sound of your text with just a few clicks?
Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a content creator looking to add a unique touch to your videos, or someone who just wants to have some fun with voice transformations, this tutorial is for you. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can turn written words into expressive, natural-sounding speech. It's like having your own virtual voice actor at your fingertips. Imagine the possibilities. From creating engaging content to personalizing voice messages, the AI voice changer opens up a world of creativity. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly. So whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating realm of AI voice changer, text to voice. Don't forget to follow along with the steps, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Let's get started.
Welcome to the AI text-to-speech.
Open any browser, then search on Google 11 Labs. Find the 11labs.io website and open it. At first, you can test voices if you want. I'm going to create and log in my account first, using option called Sign in using Gmail account. Choose your Gmail account and click on Continue. Now choose your username and fill all the question answer. These are the simple question like, where did you hear about us? And what are doing here? No matter you fill in the answer section. Now on the top, the speech synthesis, choose text to speech. In the settings, choose the settings that support your current text-to-speech voices. And in the voices, you can find the best voice that suits your content. All our knowledge has its origins in
Happiness can exist only in acceptance, but these are not normal times
In my younger and more vulnerable years.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
After choosing the voice that suit you, now you can also enhance the voice quality, speed of voiceover, pitch and clarity, and all that stuff related to your voice that you choose. Now in text fill box, type the script and click on Generate to transform your text to speech. Hello and welcome to the AI world. On the left side of generating, you will get option bar, in which you can hear your voice and download the audio note. You can download that note and use it in your content as a voice actor. I hope you love this content, and it's free. By using this AI text-to-speech, you can generate AI voice for voiceover on your content and give a beautiful sound touch to your content. For more videos related to the AI technology, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. And you can also suggest topic in the comment section. We will cover those topics for you. Thank you for watching, Bubby.